Italian words that begins with D. Donna, woman. Divano, sofa. Dito, finger. Denaro, money. Damigiana, carboy. Due, two. Denti, teeth. Dolce, sweet. Jece, 10. Delfino, dolphin. Dado, nut. Dinosauro, dinosaur. Dominica, Sunday. Dottore, doctor. Please like, comment, and share my videos. Thank you for watching.